What's up, traders? Welcome back to Real Trades. This is week 7 of $50 to funded, and we ended the week up 1.5%. A small week, but a winning week is a winning week. Let's jump straight into the spreadsheet. The first trade was PAVS on Monday. It was a clean pre-market gainer, a good entry at 0.0644, and I sold at 0.0647. This one went sideways right after entry, and from experience, when momentum stalls like that on these low float volumes, it's usually my cue to get out. I exited it early, basically broke even, and honestly, that's a win. No forcing it, no hoping, just protecting capital. Here's the trade right here. So we entered it in right here, pretty much when it broke the VWAP and everything, and I mean, it just didn't really want to go up too much and kind of leveled off, so we just decided to get out pretty fast, and that's okay. It's a win-win. Like, we could have held in and just lost money, and I think that's a good thing that we cut out. The second trade was SNTI, and this was a loss, down $4.19. Technically, at the time, the rules were there, but this trade was very forced. The volume wasn't really backing it up, and it was just leveling off until 950. And then I took the trade, which is bad. And this is one of those reminders that without volume, it doesn't mean much, and I should have passed it. So this is the trade we took around 956 at these small white ones. At the time, the VWAP was right here. I don't really know why it isn't now. I think all these indicators are wrong right now, but I mean, it did cross the MACD. And yeah, I thought it I was looking at this chart for like 20 minutes, just waiting for something to happen. And I thought this little tiny thing right there would be it, and nope, just lost money, but it's okay. Can't win every time. Wednesday's trade was BEAT, and this was my best trade of the week, up $7.91. I jumped in at $1.49, and it ripped fast. I sold at the $1.55 right as it broke pre-market highs. I'll be honest, there was a moment where I got nervous, but I trusted the process. I followed the exit plan and I took clean profit. Could it have gone higher? Yeah, but this was a textbook scalp. Here's the trade. So we plotted this pre-market high, and yeah, it tore right through it. We sold right about up here. Once it broke it, it came up just a little bit and just started dropping. I'm extremely happy with this trade, and I don't think it could have gone any better. Bought in here, sold up here. That's textbook scalp right there. On to the fourth trade. The fourth trade was WOK, up $6.38. It was a great rule follow, a clean entry, and I exited right before it dumped. This is exactly the kind of trade I'm aiming for. Quick execution, no greed, no stress. So we bought in down here once we just saw the confirmation with the VWAP, and yeah, it pushed right up. And we actually pretty much just sold right before it started dumping. So I'm extremely happy. We saw the MACD start leveling off, so that's how we knew. And yeah, on to the final trade. The last trade of the week was YCBD. I was down $7.11. The entry rules were there, but it dumped immediately. It was no hesitation, I cut it fast. And this wasn't a bad trade. It was just a reminder that not every setup can work, and fast exits matter. I bought in right here because everything was looking amazing, and it just dumped. It did end up going up after that, but I wasn't about to risk. Like, if it just kept going down, I already lost like almost $10 from this trade. I didn't want to lose 20 if it went down. Kept more, but I am not disappointed even if it went up. I want to cut my losses as much as possible. So we added $50 after, just so we can have some more account for next week. I want to put in $250 per trade, probably more than that. And so we're at $280, $280.07. And so overall week 7, we're up about only $3.31, which is about a 1.46%. So not every week is a home run, but staying green while managing risk is how this account survives and it grows. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed and want to support me in my journey, like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys tomorrow for the short, and next Sunday for the week 8 recap. Peace.